Hello friends, welcome to Man Can Code. Today we will see how to use Grafana for a monitoring tool. It's a monitor our metrics, Docker metrics, Docker container metrics, Docker container metrics, Windows Server metrics, and Linux, etc. For we can use to record metrics. We can use Prometheus for that, and we can expose that metrics to the Grafana. So to show the metrics in graph way. Okay, so here is a docker compose file of grafana. So here this is basically it's a version of a docker compose file. So here I can here use of 3.8, it's a services. So basically I want grafana image, so here I can declare grafana. So basically it's a latest pull from grafana image. It's a container name. Basically it's a restart policy. So restart, so if I stop the forcefully it can stop, otherwise it can running. Here I expose the ports like 3000. I want 3000 on that. Okay, so here I attach volume, and here I can store volume in grafana storage. So let's get started. So basically, in grafana, I want open in terminal. So let's start docker compose up hyphen d. So basically it's a docker compose file, and this command is a docker compose file running and our container is on running mode. Okay, let's see, it's a started. So basically let's see, local host 3000. Yeah, it can start it. So here I can use admin, not now. So basically every time you can open this, you can give new password admin. Okay, so here is the basically is the grafana, like UI grafana UI. And now we can see another is a Prometheus. So here is a Docker Compose Prometheus file. So it's a, you know that it's a Docker Compose version name. Like we can I use the version 3.8. It's a image name. It's a container name. Basically, it's a most important file like the command. Like here, I want config file. So basically, which server I want to record our metrics or containers. So basically, it's a config file which can be our stored all that data in that config file. So I can see config file of that. So here are ports. I expose this port on 9090. Same restart policy. Here is the volume. I attach, and here is a config file of prometheus.yml. So basically it's an interval time, timeout second, evaluation interval, alerting, static configs. So HTTP protocol, timeout 10 second, API version v1. Okay, scrap configs. So basically it's a job name. I can declare whatever you want, you can change that. And here is a static configs. Basically my IP address like this. So according to your according to your IP address, you can use your IP here, and you can see. So basically you want like IP config. Okay, so here is your IP address, and basically you store like this IP. Okay, this 71. And this is a 9182. It's a Windows exporter, Windows matrix exporter port. Okay, this is a Windows matrix exporter port 9182. So basically, you can see like a Windows matrix exporter. Okay, and here is a GitHub open source. So it's a community help Prometheus, and here is a installation release pages. So here is a release pages. Basically, you download this MSI file. Basically, it's a normal software installation file .msi. Once you can install this on your local machine or Windows server, so you can go through services. Right, in services you can search Windows. So here is a Windows exporter. So you can see properties on NNC. Okay, so basically it helps to record our Windows Server matrix. So basically it can Windows exporter. Okay, so in Windows exporter like this, so it's a port number 9182. You can change your IP, and this is a port of Windows matrix exporter. Okay, so it's exposed on 9182. So let's start to Docker expose our Docker compose. Open it. Okay, start. Docker compose. So it's Prometheus started. We can expose our port on localhost 1990. So with the help of Docker containers, so we can use Prometheus and Grafana. Okay, this is the Prometheus. So basically, we can see now. Like let's see, and this is our targets. So basically, it's up mode. Um, okay, see this. Okay, this is a matrix like large scrap duration. Okay. And let's go to grafana. So basically it's an up mode, so we cannot worry. And here is grafana. So basically it's a home UI, and we I want dashboard. So let's create your first dashboard. Okay, in that start your new dashboard by adding a visualization. And actually I want, normally I import this dashboard from its normal website. So grafana dashboards, and here I write Windows exporter, Windows node exporter. Mm, Here is a Windows exporter node. So basically it's copy ID to clipboard, and okay, it's a load. So Windows exporter node one. Selects Prometheus, import overwrite. Okay, see this. This is a normal. We can store our matrix on this, and we can transfer this matrix to Windows or for grafana to monitoring purposes. So here is a Windows OS processes, current users, active server duration, CPU core. Basically it's your Windows PC or server information to watch here to monitor. And you can customize your dashboard like here I can dashboard new. Okay, add visualization. So Prometheus, and here you can write your query what you want. Okay, so basically this is the X4 Prometheus and Grafana. With the help of Docker containers, I cannot install on my PC to install Grafana and Prometheus for that. So I use Grafana and Prometheus image, and again run these containers for this purpose. Okay, so basically after you don't want to run these containers, so basically it's a docker compose down. So docker compose down. Okay, the Prometheus is stopped. See, so Prometheus, and I can see this is over. Yeah, and same it is like docker compose down. Okay, Thank you guys. Okay, it's over now. Yeah.